Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. And if you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called PictureThis. You can see that on the screen right now. And it's about, as you can see and you can understand, that it's a plant identifier, and it has 4.7 stars out of 5. And if you're about 4 years old, you can use this app. Let's look at the preview part. So from here you can take a picture and you can identify a plant in less than a second. It's very quick to use. I just use it right now and it's really quick. For example, you can learn about interesting details about your plant. Also, plant care feature helps you manage garden. So a stunning collection of botanical wallpapers also you can reach from there. Experts in community help with your questions, and you can discover plants nearby and around the world, and many more features. So the developer of this app is Glory Global Group Limited, and it is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and Android. And there is 1 week trial and it's free. It's a free trial available, but after that you need to just subscribe and you need to pay for that. And the other thing about that, for a week the app is free, and then, as I told you before, you need to pay for the subscription, and it uses ads and a premium subscription to generate revenue. And the ads were full page and would randomly appear while using the app, but they were neither frequent or not too intrusive and could be closed immediately. And free version provides 6 plant identifications. After that you gain more identifications by either watching an advertisement or by sharing the app with a friend, and you get 1 additional identification each day. And if you decide to pay the subscription for premium membership, it will remove the advertising, and it also eliminates the limit on plant identifications, and you can swap away at different plants all day long. And premium members also get access to time-lapse photos of plants blossoming and HD wallpaper themes, which may appeal to some users. So from there we can just go to the app. At first, go to the App Store and download the app, and then you can easily go to the app quickly. So we are on the app right now. This is the home screen, and so you have different options, and it just gives you some tips on plants. For example, how to correctly pot a plant without killing it, how to protect your garden from these annoying weeds, and etc. There are so many information about that. Also, you can see that at the bottom of the screen a photo icon, so you can take a photo of your plant and you can learn more about your plant from here also. So I'll just show you the photo that I have taken today. So this is my plant, and it's called Monterey cypress. Monterey cypress, a species of cypresses. And yeah, I took a picture, and after that immediately it was really quick to just identify the plant. And after that it just gave me these information about my plant. For example, it just told me that people often ask these questions. For example, what does Monterey cypress symbolize? So you can learn more about your plants, where do they grow, and where is it native. And for example, Monterey cypress native to the central coast of California. And evergreen, is it evergreen? What soil is best for Monterey cypress, etc. So there are so many questions and answers for my plant. And also it gives you a description and name story, symbolism, endangered species, and the characteristics of the plant, and scientific classification also. So it gives you a lot of information about your plant, and also tells you the conditions requirement of your plant, and according to that you can just protect your plant. And the other thing, care guide, it gives you the care guide as well, and you can share your plant. You can, as you can see, you can share your plant with your friends, just like that. And it has a gallery as well. And so, just like that, it gives so much information about your plant. And with this app, you can instantly identify plants. It's accurate, fast, and content-rich. In addition to description and plant care tips, you can enjoy beautiful plant pictures around the world. For example, when you take a walk on sunny days, have you ever come across a beautiful flower that you wouldn't just, would know more about? And when you're at a vacation with families, have your children ask you questions about plants? Or when you're gardening, have you ever needed tips on plant care? Just simply take a photo of the plant, and PictureThis app answers all the questions you have. And PictureThis is capable of identifying 10,000 and more than 10,000 plant species with an accuracy of 98%, better than most human experts. And with the revolutionary artificial intelligence engine, it's constantly learning from experts and specialists and identify more and better every day. And now it's all at your fingertips. You can just picture this plant and discover a new appreciation for the natural world together. And what are the key features of this app? With this app, you can instantly identify thousands of plants, flowers, trees, and you can learn more about plants, including beautiful pictures around the world. You can get suggestions and advice from a network of friendly garden and horticulture specialists, and also you can get plant care tips and watering reminder also. And it has an easy to use interface with friendly guides. And the other thing, you can just quickly and easily share your photos with plant lovers, and you can keep track of all the plants, trees, and flowers you identify in your own personal collection. And PictureThis theme hopes to build a vibrant community for plant lovers and help more people know more about plants. And the other thing, it has been featured in App Store from different countries. So what are the pros and cons of this app? Pros of this app, that's really good at identifying plants. It gives detailed information on plants and how to care for them. And also it has good community notice board for sharing pictures of plants. Ads are not too frequent or intrusive. And you can make poster images from photos and download them to your phone or share them. And cons of this app, it only offers one subscription model for premium. I think they should just offer more subscription models for that. And yeah, and they should just, add more subscription models. And what do you think about that? Did you use this one? Did you use this app? And just let me know in the comments below. And what are the pros and cons of using this app? And yeah, if you just send me your comments about this app, I'll be so glad. Yeah, thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.